Yo, it's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. No? So today, we are going to react to SB19 vlogs. This is We Saw Hollywood Nights and Maple Dreams. No, so I really enjoy this. I don't know titles no sa vlogs nila recently. Lagi nilang nilalagay yung Saw sa iba simula to wakas. We all know that. Pero lagi lang ini-incorporate sa title. But yeah, so I guess, I mean, based on the thumbnail, it says in here North America Part 1. So it seems like we are going to have a vlog of their tour again. No? I'm really excited with that. And I mean, without further ado, man, let's get it. Shooting for the stars ulit.
Akala mo
Ito yung sinabi ni nila Pablo during the interview with Much Music, diba? Ang hilig daw mag-vlog. Ang hilig daw mag-vlog ni mag-documentary or i-document yung mga galaw nila or yung mga alis nila, ganyan. No, ni Justin. So pag nawala siya or pag may nakakuhang iba, wala, patay na. All the background footage. Oh, are we expecting a vlog from Justin?
Going back to US for the fourth time. Paano lang US mo fourth?
Ba't naka-blurred yung cellphone niya, no? San Francisco.
Dito pa tayo dumaan sa tabing dagat. Hindi naman
Hey, by the way, I just wanna say something in here. I mean, I feel like di lang naman siguro ako, no? I mean, lahat man siguro tayong mga 18 is, I mean, usually ito yung ginagawa, like, under free time, lalabas kasi si Miowski. Si Miowski na naman dito. Under free time, no? Na, we're watching, like, shorts, TikTok videos, reels, na may kinalaman sa SB19, right? Hindi lang naman siguro ako, right? Kaya di naman siguro. And I see this, I forgot if it's TikTok, it's a Reels. It's a Facebook, no? Na, I don't know why, I mean, alam ko na to eh. Pero I still got, I don't know, offended about it. I mean, matagal na tong topic. This is about OT1, right? So, may napanood akong video na, sabi doon sa caption, kasi real siya doon, galagay siya ng mga parang caption. Sabi, who's actually my SB19 bias, parang ganun. Kasi, I mean, that's okay if you have a bias, diba? Tapos, pwede mong gumawa ka ng, edit ng bias mo. Sino man yan, right? There's no problem with that. I mean, ang dami ko nakikitang lalulupit na edit nila. Kay Josh, kay Pablo, diba? Ang lulupit eh. Pero this one, specifically, got offended about it because sabi nga doon sa unang caption, who's actually my bias in SB19, tapos unang loob pa si Pablo, no. Yan. Tapos sabi pala, Josh, hindi, ang sumunod pala si Stel, no. Tapos pagdating kay Justin, ang sabi, never. Tapos pagdating kay Josh, I said no. Tapos alam niyo kung sino bias. Alam niyo na kung sinong bias, 'di ba? Hindi na tayo nung una ko pa lang makita 'yon, alam ko na kasi like 70% ng mga nakikita kong ganung klaseng edit na reels, TikTok or shorts na just, flexing their bias. Usually it's Ken, 'di ba? And I mean, I have no hindi ako galit sa mga ganon. I mean, isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong album galing kay Ken. Di ba? 7 cents. Pero come on, you don't have to throw shades sa other members. If you really love Ken, just flex Ken. What's wrong with that? Flex Ken. Man. Ilalike pa namin yan, pupusuan pa namin yan. Walang problema. Pero yeah, I mean, I just ignore it. Hindi ako nag-comment. I mean, masyado na tayong nagagalit dito sa channel natin sa mga ganyang bagay, So, as much as possible, of course, if we're not reacting, and we can contain ourselves, hayaan na lang natin, Kasi masyado ko nang pinapakita yung ugali ko dito sa mga reaction natin. Yes, Valente lang nagpakita ng ugali ko dito sa mga reaction eh. Usually, reaction ko nakakatawa lang eh. Pero pag minsan, nag-enjoy lang ako. Pero, dito sa mga nakaraang yung mga nakaraang docu nga, na nakaka-orat. Lumalabas yung ugali ko eh. Pero, I mean, I just wanna say that. Because, dito, di ba, pagdating nila pagbaba nila ng airport, di ba, may tumawag kay Ken. Hi, Ken! Yung gumano. So, alala ko lang. Kasi parang, wala. Alala ko lang. Tara na. Diba?
Dito pa tayo dumaan sa tabing dagat. Dito pa na ako. Hindi naman natin.
Ano daw?
Dito pa tayo dumaan sa tabing dagat. Dito pa na ako. Hindi naman natin.
Shooting for the stars, aiming high, high, high. The universe is ours, yours and mine. Ay, nawala yung tunog.
Ito, libre. Hi guys, this is our first leg sa amin.
Nanunuyo yung labi ni Justin. Lamig siguro dyan.
Dito kami ngayon sa San Francisco and meet namin yung mga dancers here sa San Francisco because we weren't able to bring W3.
Yeah, okay. So this is so much music, diba? Na meron silang dancer mismo sa I don't know if San Francisco ba yun, but diba? Kasi nila nasama yung dancer nila, yung W3 sa sa ibang mga lugar, bansa. So,
I have new set of dancers na dito nakabase sa
they have to work on them, no?
So, nagre-rehearse kami.
Ang damit niya, Mahalima? Mahalima ba yung damit niya?
Kanina pa sila nagre-rehearse. Tomorrow na yung show, so let's go.
U5. The group is U5. Batuhan ng idea and techniques. Nice.
Okay, so first.
Siguro itong mga itong katulad ng Gento, right? I mean, hindi ko sasama yung mga kanta sa So, pero most probably ganoon din. Pero let's say yung mga mga kanta sa sa pagtatag, no? Siguro sa sobrang tagal na nilang ginagawa yung sinasayaw yung parang na siguro, no? Parang kusa lang gumagalaw yung katawan nila, sa choreography nun. Sa sobrang ilang beses nilang ginawa. Kasi may kita mo dito, no? Parang lalo na kay Justin, mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo, replay ko, wait lang, so lang explain yung thoughts ko. Yung parang, yung hindi nila iniisip yung step nila. Diba? So parang, may kita mo kayo sa mukha ni Justin dito, parang nasa naipagkwentuhan, naipagtawanan, habang sumasayaw siya. Tapos parang sabay-sabay pa rin sila. Tignan mo.
Okay, so yeah. First.
Ito, di ba? Di ba? Parang hindi niya na masyadong iniisip yung step. Kusa lang gumagalaw yung katawan nila eh, no?
No later.
Game guys, move on.
Nanto ka ba? Nanto ka eh. Nanto ka ba? Nanto ka? Tingnan natin hindi ka magising dito. Hindi, hinayaan lang niya. Sabi lang niya.
Ano ginagawa? Para mawala ang antok?
Ate, nakaganon kasi siya, ate. Minomonitor niya yung photos. Minomonitor niya yung photos, tapos biglang ginano siya.
Hinayaan lang din.
Parang yung pusang hinawakan sa ano.
Hinayaan lang din, no?
Namilig mo bola ko, no? Patis ka. That's sinker.
Galaro ng bola eh, no?
Mali na. Ito ako maghawak. Mali yung magagano. Dito pa rin. Yan, fastball.
Pero baka hindi mo yung hapon.
Naglaro na lang kayo.
Hi everyone! So today is the first day of the US leg show. We're here sa San Francisco for the first day. Yay! So everyone's
First day!
here sa backstage preparing for the show. And I think last one na si Justin sa Glam. And after
up on this rocket.
So yeah,
Nothing's
I'm taking my
gonna
time
stop
now
it.
to
Shooting
do
for the
some
stars.
things before the show starts, like kain.
Ayan.
But yeah, I think everything
I
is
shoot.
doing fine, doing great. Sana na maging smooth yung show
Shoot
ngayon.
up on
Though,
this rocket.
kinakapa namin yung
Nothing's
mga
gonna
nangyari.
stop.
Kasi nga first show,
Shoot
but
for the stars.
things ko naman okay.
Yeah.
Excited to meet fans.
Yeah, excited, syempre. Excited to meet everyone later. Yeah, namiss namin kayo. See you.
Ang ano na, no? Ang buff na ni Stella, no? Grabe. Okay. Mampuyat ang inyong, ano, pinuno. Ano ko kasi tape pala. Ano, meditate? Get.
Our last tour, like a dying minutes, we got boom. Oh, on stage? Yeah, on stage. Oh no. I really went back after that.
Is that the U5? Naipagkwentuhan sila sa U5. Di ba nakita natin si Stella naipagkwentuhan sa U5, di ba? Justin and Josh, now Ken, no? Ano lang, nakakatuwa lang kasi they really wanna connect with U5, which is yung tutulong sa kanila para mag-perform ngayon, right? I mean, nakakatuwa lang, you know? Because I feel like there are a lot of like superstars that we can say they don't actually think about other people na nagtatrabaho para sa kanila para mabuo yung show. Yung masyadong mataas yung tingin sa sarili. Right? So, I really appreciate yung mga artists na ganito. No? And nag-reach out talaga sila like sa U5, di ba? Because, I mean, may benefit kasi yun eh. Like, pag mas close kayo, di ba? Nung mga kasama mo mag-perform, mas magiging kayong comfortable mag-perform on stage, no? So, ayun. I mean, nakakatuwa lang makita na gano'n, no? Bakit? my freedom. Okay, lipat. LA. I see. Walang kapaguran.
Tapos doon nakaraan pala, yung balance, yung lakas ng... Kaya mo ba?
Sino? Ang ano to? Sino si Justin? Labubu.
I'm a monster. I will eat you alive. Pablo, I don't die.
Really?
You don't die. Can.
Sige, lagay mo muna doon.
Parang bata yun.
What are you?
Subject.
Hi, Josh. Hi.
Baby.
Mag-perform ng maayos agad ang SB19 Lord. Sa boses nila Lord, sa yung 5 agad, sa mga pagsayaw Panginoon, I pray Lord. I pray for unity Lord sa stage Lord. Hindi man kami magkasama palagi o God. Hindi man kami magkasama talaga kami and I pray God na magkaroon ng chemistry sa stage o God. I pray Lord na
Always pray, no? It's one of the key. Nag-aano ba sila? Nag-a-add ba sila ng like how can I say this? Like different choreography or like set or ano sabihin to? Or piece during performance pag sa ibang lugar, like iba-ibang lugar nagdadagdag sila ng for them to give a slightly different experience para sa mga tao. Kasi, di ba nung nakaraan, meron silang di ba naka-hood sila lahat, di ba yun yung intro, di ba? Naka-hood sila lahat. Tapos, biglang si Pablo doon sa taas, di ba? So, ang gandang ang gandang parang twist doon and, flavor doon sa routine nila.
Okay, so how do we do this? Of course, Ian. And Ian's mom.
Real quick,
Sino sila?
it is I have a very special guest with me, and that is my mom. And it is her birthday, and she called me like a month ago. She's like, Ian, there's only one thing that I want for my birthday, and that is we have to do this.
Okay. Kasay.
Yes.
So this vlog or itong nangyari to happens like a month ago. Diba kasi parang a month ago ko nakita yung mga photos na kasama sila.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. You guys did so well. Oh my god, I enjoyed so much. Really? Yes. You're so annoying. You know why? I was eating pizza. I was sitting down and I was eating pizza and it was like, oh, somebody's here, and then I put it in my mouth and then I was like this.
Tapos tinawag.
Oh my god, I was eating. Sorry. Why are you here? Why am I
How are you?
Ang kulit na suot niya no, ni Pablo, parang parang sa Fire Force, no? Nanonood ng anime, no? Parang Fire Force.
Oh, like your father.
I know, I was in Bula Academy.
Yeah.
And then he sent me a video. My dad is a huge fan. He's obsessed with you guys.
Really?
Actually.
Si Dad pa no?
Yeah, he loves you guys so much. Every time you guys have a show, he always sends you a message.
Really? Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah. He's just bragging to me now. He's with you guys.
Congrats on Gabrielle.
Thank you.
Beautiful tears.
Yeah, the whole album's out.
And good luck on your tour.
Yeah, it's our first tour. Going to Summer Sonic.
Really?
Next month. We have Lollapalooza.
Wow!
Main stage. And then, yeah, and then...
You also performed in Nickelodeon, right?
Yes, Kids' Choice Awards. Oh my god. Oh my god. What, like...
Yeah.
My mouth was open.
Yung parang slime.
Oh, congratulations.
Congrats, the show you guys are amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing performers. I hope, hopefully I get to come home soon.
Yeah.
I hope all of
Let us know, let us know.
Oh yeah, I will.
Oy,
Yeah, we'll make
ako love. Ako love.
Yeah, maybe you can invite us.
Yeah.
Yes, oh my god, tell them.
Never in the future, maybe we can go to the stage change.
Will you read it?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Why not?
A special guest.
No, yeah.
Stage and share some too.
Yes, oh my god, that is so good. One day. Yeah. I'm gonna annoy my team up on it. But I'm a big fan.
Saan mo sinasabi? Saan mo sinasabi?
Yun na naman. Classic Pablo. Yung ba yung nabanggit nga nila. Sabi mo nga ganyan, sabi mo ganyan. Kaya sinasabi niya kay Stel yung gusto niyang sabihin talaga. Kulit eh.
Saan mo sinasabi? Ako ba si Sofia? Sabi, you're gonna be so busy. Sabi ko, ako si Sofia?
No, I'll make time.
He's very shy. Like really.
Ako natakawa ka sana. Eh?
I remember you watched that Market Market.
Yeah,
show.
I watched that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ang kulit eh.
I actually have a question. Do you guys have any like tips or advice for tour? Because I'm about to go on tour and I'm scared. So I don't...
You should get a lot of sleep. Because we haven't been
Yeah.
getting sleep.
Really?
Yeah. Actually,
Oh, sorry.
we're gonna be honest, we're really,
Stop saying that.
it's our second stop and we're really
Like, yung a very good night's sleep or kaya you, like stay up like 8 hours sleep can actually like boost your energy, no? Isang buong araw. No, yung pa lang, no? Yung pa lang yung complete na tulog sobrang makakatulong sa'yo. Lalo na siguro, I mean, sa nagtatrabaho nga lang, sobrang niya no? Sobrang, para siyang no? Para siyang cheat code para sa mga nagtatrabaho. Diba? Kasi, I feel like energize ka. Pero of course, a lot of mga empleyado sa Pilipinas is parang sobrang lunod sa trabaho. Sometimes, yung napakalit na oras nila, yung extra time nila, sinasagad nila na nagre-result ng konting tulog. Kasi they still want to have like their, a life. Kasi pag, lalo kasi yung mga dito sa atin, no, sa Pilipinas, sobrang traffic kasi. Like, just imagine, you're working a 9-to-5 job. I mean, we don't actually have a 9-to-5. We do have a 9-to-5, but, you know what I'm saying? Like a 9 hours na trabaho with 1 hour break, lunch break. Diba? Like, papasok ka, babiyahe ka 2 hours kasi traffic. Papasok ka, tapos uuwi ka, another 2 hours kasi traffic. So, ano yun? Like, 13 hours ng buhay mo nasa biyahe tsaka nasa pasok. Diba? So, wala ka ng sarili mong buhay, di ba? Sometimes, may mga empleyado na minsan sinasagad nila yung konting oras nila para magliwaliw, no? Minsan, lalabas kasama yung friends, no? End up, maunti yung tulog, tapos kinabukasan, pagod na pagod. Diba? Tapos ganun nangyayari. So, nagbi-build up yung pagod mo. But, naiintindihan ko sila kasi kung hindi nila gagawin yun, ang mangyayari sa kanila, pasok, biyahe, tulog, pasok, biyahe, tulog, no? So, ang hirap din pag parang wala kang buhay, no? Pero what I'm saying is, like, having a complete 9 or 8 hours sleep, kahit nga lang 6 hours sleep basta yung tulog na yun is yung solid na tulog. Alam mo yung solid na tulog? Kasi mayroon kasing tulog na parang medyo gising ka, di ba? Medyo hindi ka yung sobrang tulog na tulog. Yung tulog na tulog ka talaga. Sobrang laki ng tutulong sa'yo, no? Plus vitamins, plus, kaya you really need to have a complete sleep hanggat maaari. So, I assume ganoon din sa kanila. Like, they're performing, no? Constant rehearsal, vocal training, so get sleep, man.
Jet lag. How many shows are you jet lag? How many shows? I don't know.
We just added more and it's sold out.
Wow.
You guys were sold out and I couldn't get tickets to like random seats on the side. Oh my god, we were like, where's the O2? It was so random.
Rest, vitamins.
Oh my god.
Nothing you already know.
I don't know what day it is.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
You're big.
I get a lot of energy from the fans.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Palakpakan!
Of course, please do this. Cat's eye.
Alright. Okay, you guys do it.
Cat's eye and eye.
Cat's eye.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for you guys again. Congrats.
See you in the
Thank you
Philippines.
so much. I'll see you.
If we had a chance to visit.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Ang kulit ni Pablo. Ang kulit ni Pablo.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, Ari.
Good morning.
Harry? Who's Harry? Harry Osborn?
Hi, good morning.
Ay, automatic yung basurahan nila.
Ano yung section na yun? Like this one. Like, what is this? Hi, good morning. And then wala na.
Hi.
Wala tayong context. Is that a meeting or something?
Ay, automatic yung basurahan nila. Lumala ka. Baby, that's what you do.
Buhay yung baso.
Baby, don't play. Mag-isa?
Big-
Umaandar yung tao.
Gutom ka lang, Ja. Gutom ka lang.
Meron talaga.
Justin, gutom ka lang.
Gutom ka lang.
Nagde-deliver ng food.
Di ka lang nagla-lunch.
It don't make no sense. I'm tripping in finesse. You know it, I'm tripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. TikTok US office. Wow. Wow. Raz McKen.
Ito yung dream namin sa 1G.
Remember that, no? Sabi natin in dream nila sa 1Z. Most probably it's gonna happen, no? It's gonna happen.
Let's go.
May kumatok sa pinto. The Wish? Okay. Wish nga. Hearing them saying that ngayon, no? Nice.
Introduce ourselves. Get in the zone, bro. Wherever we are.
Let's go.
First from the beautiful land of the Philippines.
Uy, Philippines.
Concert, okay?
so much. We love you too so much. Thank you. Thank you.
That's fucking live, by the way, guys. That is live, no? Thought I would quit, never know. Guess we never know.
LA. From San Francisco.
Samoa yan ah. Samoa yan.
To Toronto. See you sa Toronto, guys. Bye.
Toronto? Toronto. Ano tayo yan? Ano tayo yan?
Ito yung sakto 12 hours difference natin.
Same.
So, 3 p.m. na doon.
So, madaling araw pala dito ngayon, no? Umaga, morning, 3 a.m. That's all. Dadaang nga. Ang lipit nun ah. Kung kakain naman dito nag-vlog na yun, no? Video naman sila patulog, no? Try kill no. Thank you for trying. Thank you for trying. So, pa may pasyente si Minuno. Pasyente.
Ako na lang po pala mag-get one and pass.
Get one and pass.
This is for later, for the fan project.
Eight ton ball. Get it. Dapat. Mas malapad. Basta. Wait. Perp. Wala akong kape pala. What? Ano to? Akala ko kakalan ka, boss. Oo nga. Twilight. Okay, yeah. Bakit ka dyan? Nag-enjoy yung editor, ah. Sana hindi ko ginagawa. Wow. Heart and soul. Grabe, no? Constant, traveling. Laging on the road, no? Nakapagod yun, man. Hindi ba napapansin, no? Bisa nakakapagtaka nga siguro dahil hindi parang komportable talaga yung katawan mo, tapos naaalog ka. Pero pag bumabiyahe ka ng matagal, napapagod ka, no? Pero kung isipin mo, nakaupo ka lang naman. Right? Nakaupo ka lang naman. Like, yan, no? Yung biyahe nila. Like, nakaupo lang sila, pero nakapagod dyan, man. Imagine ko parang, ang hirap yan. Wow, ganda naman. Ganda naman dyan. Wow. Tang 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 tang. Tang tang.
Oh, it's so muggy. Muggy.
Muggy. Muggy mo, muggy. Ngongo. Dikitan nyo sila. Ah, okay. The Joss family. Kasama pa rin mga pamilya-pamilya.
Yeah, we get it. Oh, so we're in it. Ikaw kuya. Magano ka? Kapote ka. Kapote rider. Mga kapote rider.
Inulit pa talaga. Nakakasar eh, inulit pa. Inulit pa talaga. Lagi Pokemon reference, no?
Para mo yan? May video yun.
Okay ka na. Isa ka na.
Kapote Rider. Ulit na naman yan. Katarawa dyan.
Pwede ba makit doon? Oo, pwede. Pwede. Paano po? May doon. Zipline. Zipline. Kasi dahil sa raincoat.
Band. Ito yung... Di ba yung band? Band? Band.
Congratulations. Yeah, finish.
Graduate na eh. Lagi na lang, no? Every time, no?
Congratulations! Cum laude ka! Asan na?
Lamig parang ano?
Lamig! Umano dito ko.
Malamig yung water.
Sobra. Hindi, ibon nasa taas.
Is a prank. Wow! Oh naman.
Tingin tayo sa view, ah. 1, 2, 3.
Ba't yung isa doon parang napakamiss? Nakatago na naman yung mukha. Sabi na nakatago na naman yung mukha ng isa eh. Ah, okay. Ang bilis naman ng 30 minutes na ba yun? Wala pa palang 30 minutes yun.
They have a surprise here. It's a drone show.
Drone show? Wow! Oh, they're doing TikTok na naman. Why though? Why do you have to blur that? Alright, well that's again SB19 Vlogs. We saw Hollywood Nights and Maple Dreams, man. I mean, I guess hindi lang masyado pinapakita sa vlog yung mga performance kasi I mean we already know what's the performance gonna be, no? Pero I mean nakakatuwa na nag-enjoy sila, no? Kahit na medyo nakakapagod yung palipat-lipat ng lugar, no? You have to work with new people every time na pupunta ka sa bansang ganito. Nakakapagod din yun. Kapakilala ka ulit sa panibago. You have to have a connection again or a chemistry. Sabi nga doon sa prayers, di ba? You know, for you guys to be comfortable performing on the stage. At the same time, still nakakawa siya ng, you know, ng lakas para maging masaya, enjoy yung mga pagkakataon, no? And yun yung nakakatawa, mas nagiging nakaka-enjoy tong vlog na to. Then may kita mo silang nag-i-enjoy, no? Kasi pag, of course, ay mo nag-struggle sila, I mean, mag-struggle ka rin sa panonood, right? But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoy that. I really enjoy that, no? I really enjoy watching vlogs ng SB19, no? Kasi parang, yeah, I mean, kita mo kasi yung totoong sila, no? Kita mo yung totoong sila. But that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo glass with yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.